2025 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.